Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to put everything back on for 04 Toyota Corolla for the window that I was working early. Let me turn on the key and show you what it looks like right now after I fix it. You see it? The window go up and down smoothly now. The first time it jammed, I thought the glass broken, but it wasn't. It's just loose one screws out. So okay, let me put it back on. Okay, put everything back. It's what the customer said, you know, I should finish the video. All right, let me do it. And just put the cover. Okay, a little bit, just put it aside. Let's put the cover. Can you see a bit clearly? Yes. It's all set now. Just put a zero plug in here. Just put it back. Put it in. Push it. And don't forget to screw in here, guys. Okay? Don't forget. Never forget it. Just put the screw first. Did you see the screw? A little bit hard to see, eh? Okay. Put two screws in here. Alright? Just ties up, ties up, ties up. You know, if you have any question on the video, just let me know. I can give you more detail on it. Screw in, screw in, screw in. Alright. So next step, just put the master switch back. And last piece in here, the handle cover. Just put it, that's it. And the last one, don't forget, one more screw in here, go directly to the handle cover. Let me show you. Handle in here, okay? Just put it. Let me put in here. Here is good. Lock it in. Just put the back upper cover in here. Okay, let's test it before I stop the video. You see the window go up and down smoothly. It's all set to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.